In today's video, I'm going to teach you mastering styles and themes in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll know how to format documents faster, stay consistent, and make global changes with just a few clicks. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with styles. A style is a predefined set of formatting, like font, size, color, and paragraph spacing, that you apply in one step. Instead of manually making every heading bold and a certain size, simply select your text and choose a style like Heading 1 from the Styles group on the Home tab. The big advantage is consistency. When every heading uses the same style, your document looks professional and is much easier to manage. Styles also create a hierarchy. Heading 1 is your main section, Heading 2 is a subsection, and so on. That hierarchy powers Word's automation. For example, go to the References tab and generate an automatic table of contents. Word reads your heading styles and builds a clean TOC that you can update anytime. Another benefit is the navigation pane. On the View tab, turn on the navigation pane to get a clickable outline of your document. You can jump between sections instantly and even drag headings to reorder entire sections. If you ever want to change the look of your entire body text or all headings, don't reformat manually. Right-click the style, choose Modify, adjust the settings, and every paragraph using that style updates at once. This is why it's best to avoid direct formatting like bold or manual font changes. Apply the correct style instead and let styles do the heavy lifting. You can create custom styles for special needs, but the built-in styles are optimized for accessibility and compatibility with Word's features. Often, they're the most reliable starting point. Now, let's talk themes. A theme is a broader design system that affects colors, fonts, and effects across Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. On the Design tab, choose a theme to change the overall feel of your document with one click. Theme colors determine the palette used by text, shapes, charts, and smart art. If you switch the theme palette, every element using theme colors updates automatically. Theme fonts set a coordinated pair, one for headings, one for body text, so your typography looks balanced throughout. Think of styles as local instructions for how specific text looks, while a theme is the global wrapper that defines the default colors and fonts your styles draw from. Many organizations create custom themes to enforce branding, ensuring every document aligns with their visual standards. Combine styles for structure and themes for identity, and you'll produce documents that are consistent, polished, and easy to maintain. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.